Today we live in a welfare state where the individual is looked after from the cradle to the grave. When we are born we receive expert care and attention, and as we grow up we are protected from the ills of the world by inoculations, immunizations and all the wonderful modern drugs. Our education is assured if we are willing to listen and to learn, and we have the opportunity to enter any trade or profession we wish. If we are ill, we receive benefits until we are well again. In age, and if we are unlucky enough to be unwell, we have all the benefits of the welfare state. Medical treatment, home nursing, social service visits, home help, meals and wheels which are brought to our door several days weekly by those ladies who so generously give up their time for others. Despite all these wonderful things, there are thousands and thousands of old people who live alone and suffer from the one thing that the welfare state has no answer to, and that one thing is loneliness. A few years ago I received a telephone call from a school where a master started a scheme whereby 2 of the senior pupils visited an old person once weekly, usually in the evening, to chat, play games and keep them company for about 2 hours. He asked me if I would give him the names of people who I believed might benefit, and after some thought I supplied him with a list of names with the people's consent. Some people refused visits, but the majority accepted and felt so chuffed that these youngsters were interested in them and willing to give up a little of their time to help break their loneliness. Not only did the old folks have some light brought into their lives, but they reciprocated in trying to offer advice to the children, and so a bond was forged between 2 greatly diverse generations. I admire these children enormously for what they did, as I think it was a wonderful scheme. It certainly was most successful in every way. I am sure there is an old person living near you, lonely, and perhaps you could help in some way yourself. Think about it. Christ said, "Inasmuch as ye have done it unto one of the least of these my brethren, ye have done it unto me."
Morning.